Want to install Chat GPT on your iPhone? First, open the App Store by swiping to your app library and tapping App Store. Tap Search in the bottom menu, type Chat GPT, then tap Get and open. Once it finishes downloading, you'll have the Chat GPT app on your home screen ready to launch. If you'd rather dive right into chatting, open the Chat GPT app and tap Continue to agree to terms. You can sign up for an account or tap Start Chatting to use it without logging in. Type your questions at the bottom and tap the send arrow to get answers, or tap the plus icon to upload photos and files for analysis. To use voice, tap the microphone or waveform icon and speak. ChatGPT will respond aloud. Keep in mind that creating an account unlocks chat history and personalized settings accessible from the menu in the top left. That's all it takes to install and use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite AI tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.